So my name is Michael James and I am here representing Wiedenmann UK. We import the range of Wiedenmann equipment into the UK and distribute throughout a dealer network. We cover the whole of the UK and Ireland and Iceland. And what I'm going to do is tell you a little bit about this TerraSpike machine called the GXI8 HD. It's the latest deep spiker that we distribute, and it's aimed at tractors between 40 and 70 horsepower. It's designed to be an all-round aeration tool where one machine can do all the work from 8mm needle tines through to 3/4 inch solid tines, and we do a whole range of hollow tines for it as well. It's 900 kilograms in weight. It measures 1.8 meters wide through its working width, and it covers the back tyres of today's large compact tractors. And there's a few features and benefits around the outside of the machine which I'll point out just now before we look in at the mechanics under the back door. So to set the machine up, we have a spirit level on top to tell us when the top link's set properly, which makes it easy for the operator to set up. We have a single point depth adjustment so we can get the best out of the machine as we move around the site. By the turn of this one handle alters the height of the roller, the front roller at both sides, so we can fine tune the machine as we move around whatever site we're working on to get the best out of it on the day. The two handles here are for adjusting the heave, which again will need to vary it from day to day depending on weather conditions and how much compaction there is in the ground. But again, by turning these handles, this handle alters the legs at this side of the machine, and this handle over here does the 4 legs on the other side of the machine. So it's very easy for the operator to set up. Health and safety is at the forefront of design as well. They have side safety guardrails here, the rear door is lockable, but more importantly there's anti-vibration systems built in. This is called a VibraStop, and it's basically a cushion between the tractor and the machine, so when the tines impact something under the soil, the machine doesn't bounce. The spring takes out the shock and it protects the guy who's sitting on the seat, and it protects the tractor and the mechanics of the machine as well. On the heave adjustment handles, we have these power pack springs which are again designed to take out vibration. As the tines hit things under the soil, instead of putting the shock load into the machine and through into the tractor, these power pack springs can help absorb that as well. It's very closely coupled, so although it's 900 kilos, it's easy for the tractor to lift it, and it follows undulations very well. And I think what we'll do is we'll move down to the side or to the back of the machine and we'll have a look at the mechanics. So this is where we see inside the GXI8 HD, and it's different from the rest of the TerraSpikes in that it's one of our twin drive machines. The twin drive system was designed to make these things go faster. It's quite a time consuming job, and the faster we can get them done, the more other jobs that the groundsman or greenkeeper can do with his day. The twin drive system, the gearbox is removed from the crankshaft. We have twin drive shafts to either side, and then the crankshaft's belt driven. By having this design, we have counterbalance weights on each crank to help make it smoother running, and we have a symmetrical timing in it. Instead of one leg hitting on the left and then one leg on the right like traditional deep spikers used to do, this hits 2 legs at a time. So the middle 2 legs hit together, and then legs 3 and leg 6 are timed together. 2 and 7 will strike at the same time, and 1 and 8. This makes the machine kinder to the turf. It's taking twice the weight off the front roller, and it makes it much smoother running at speed, so we can get a much faster operation from it. We have sealed bearings in here, so maintenance time's less. The back roller is a parking stand when you want to take it off the tractor, and then you can put these pins in and the rear roller will then float to follow the ground. One other thing which is another feature in here is that the tines are fixed with a pinch bolt for pencil tines, and then we can put 3/4 inch tines in here with a nut on the top, and these are tapered in there so that they don't wear out and we don't leave tines lying in the football pitch.